Dweller.
Woohoo! The testing grounds, the official ROA off-road testing grounds.
We gotta get a flag.
I know, right? We gotta stake this land as ours. It is public land, so technically it's ours,
Yeah,
right?
we all
It's
own
a little bit of everybody's. Anyway, super excited. We're out here with the Dweller.
This is the first time I've taken this off-road.
Yes.
First time it's gonna climb up a rock.
Yes, and this is the Dweller 13. This is the Outback Innovations, and really, really cool. They've really designed this just like off of so many other great off-road Australian caravans and campers. Now,
the quality is amazing. The finishings are just so precise.
Yeah, really.
It's beautiful. It
is. We're super excited about this brand, but we want to see, most importantly, how does it do off-road, right?
Oh yeah.
So, Michael, what are we sitting at with the Jeep?
So, my Jeep is pretty stock other than I threw on some 37s and a 2-inch lift. That gives me a departure angle of 32 degrees, and my pumpkin is sitting at 12 inches.
Okay, so clearance about 12. And what did you say, the departure 32?
32.
Okay, so the Dweller, we're sitting a little bit less on the departure. We got about 22 degrees, so about 10 less.
10 off, but.
So wherever this goes, you're not necessarily gonna drag that, but let's see if it can get up this obstacle. Our clearance, though, is actually pretty great. We're about 16 inches, just over 16 inches of clearance down through the center at the lowest point. So we're sitting pretty good for our clearance.
Oh yeah, and for a trailer, that's amazing.
Yeah,
those numbers are amazing.
Amazing. And at 22 inches of departure, that's better than most stock, like F-150s,
yeah,
right?
Exactly. Yeah, you're beating a lot of the trucks.
Yeah, it's hard to beat departure angles on Jeeps or approaches, is because they really are made for the off-road. But let's see if we can get this before it gets too snowy and slick. Let's see if we can get up this obstacle.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so this is our first obstacle. Not so bad. We got about a 6 or so feet gain from the bottom to the top. This is about a 3-foot ledge, about 1 to 2.5 feet, or 1.5 feet over there. So let's see if this D13 can make it up. Come on, Michael. You ready for this?
Oh yeah.
You got it. You're ready? You got the checklist done?
Oh yeah, air down, and then I put it in 2-wheel high for your entertainment.
No. 4-wheel low with your lockers on.
Oh yeah, all that stuff.
Okay, Michael likes to do these crazy things, but I tell him with your Jeep, it's okay when you're towing a trailer. Let's put on the lockers on the 4-wheel low. Ready?
Everything's on.
Okay, hopefully it's not too slippery for you to make it up.
We're starting to get some snow shelves.
Look at that. Beautiful.
All right, now how's the departure on the trailer?
Right now it looks great. No problem whatsoever.
Not gonna rub its butt?
Nope, not yet. Ooh, it's getting close. It's getting close. Keep going. You're good. Oh, you're fine. I think so. Okay, wait. Yeah, you're good. Start turning. Do you need to? Oh, baby. No problem at all. You've already made it. Look at that. Easy peasy. Oh, that was too easy. It's too easy. And in the snow. Wait. Stop there for a second.
Adjusting them. It's actually snowing now.